All right, guys, we have some pickups in High Point, North Carolina. We're picking up furniture today, but I've been here multiple times, and one thing that I don't like from this place is there are multiple buildings, okay? So they're all around, and they have you moving from one building to the other, and I get that, you know, but sometimes, like, they send me to plant one first, and now they're telling me, no, go to the other side, which is the building right across the street, and pick up there first. I'm like, well, I'm already here. Why you didn't get me loaded here first, and then I'll go to the other building? Because after I get loaded here, I have to go back to the other building. Makes no sense. That's crazy. Try to get loaded here, man, and this place is really tight too, so it makes it more difficult, you know, to get going around. See, we'll do the best we can with what we have. So sometimes I just wish the shippers would be better organized, but hey, this is the industry we're in, so all right, so we're parked. Then I'll have to go around here, probably make that right turn, and either go back to the same building that I was on before, or just keep going around the block and go to the other building. But we'll see. You know, we'll see. Hopefully this goes smoothly.